Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on OPPO Reno 15. Okay, the process is really easy, but before we launch our WhatsApp, we need to launch our settings and we need to make sure that we are connected into proper account, the Google account to be more precise. Let's scroll down all the way until we find the Google, and in here we need to be signed in into the exact same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you'll be signed in into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chat. So simply make sure that you're connected into proper account. And now we can launch our WhatsApp. Simply tap on that, select your language and click on agree and continue. We can agree to send us notifications, and in that place now we need to type our phone number. If you don't remember it, you can also click on what's my number, click on continue, and it will be automatically copied. Click on allow and click on use. Click on next. Click on yes. Okay, now we need to verify our phone number. Currently, I think that the code from the SMS message will be necessary. We have a few options how we can verify our phone number. You can always click on didn't receive code and we can try those other functions, but currently we need to wait until this code is sent, or we can try to use a voice call, but we need to wait 1 minute and 40 seconds. So I don't have that code yet. I should receive an SMS message. Still not here. Okay, so I'll wait until that code will be sent to me, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, I have verified the phone number, and now we have something like that. Contacts, and click on continue. Now allow, and simply select restore from backup. And it is important that you need to click on continue right now, because if you skip it, you won't have possibility to do it later. You can also read about it right in here. You may not be able to restore it later if you skip now. So select restore from backup, click on continue, and now all of our chats are being restored from this account. That's also the Google account into which we are logged in the settings. Now click on next to confirm. In here you can type your name, also change the profile photo if you are interested. Then click on next. And as you take a look, everything has been successfully and properly restored. All our videos, photos, and of course normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.